really pretty simple on these Deltas. You got to take this little plug out, and once you do that, it's going to expose an Allen key. Use an Allen wrench here, and you literally just put it in, untwist it a couple times to loosen it, and this whole piece will just come right off. How's it going, fellow fixers? Welcome to I Am a Fixer. I'm Jeremy, and this is a channel all about helping you fix and maintain your home so you can help others do the same. Now, today's fix is one of those ones that's basically more of a nuisance than anything else. I've been putting it off, and I decided just to go ahead and knock it out. It shouldn't take too long, and here's what's going on. So if you look at this faucet, just a simple Delta sink faucet, it's got one of those hidden aerators. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it below where I show you how to get that out. But the issue that I'm having is if I turn off the hot water and I turn on the hot water, I shouldn't be getting any water coming out of this faucet. But you can see there that there's a little bit of a trickle. And the reason for that is that the valve is just not seated right. So I've tried to open it up and clean this valve and it didn't work. So today we're going to replace that valve cartridge. Alright, so first things first, you need to turn off the water to the faucet. Alright, so here's the cartridge for this particular faucet. It's an RP50587. Now, I will tell you that Lowe's and Home Depot both had this cartridge. It was like $38 at Lowe's. Amazon had it for $28 with Prime. So you can get it at Lowe's if you want it immediately, but I'll tell you right now that it was cheaper at Amazon. So I'll put a link in the description for this part on Amazon. They make this thing incredibly difficult to get out of here. Everything's like welded along the sides. I ended up having to cut out the back part, and now I gotta dig through the wrapper to get to it. Alright, so this piece just literally twists off. You can take that off, and then you can see here there's a brass fitting. Now this brass fitting is what actually holds that valve in place. So get you a pair of channel locks or a crescent wrench. It's going to pop off, and then here comes the valve. I'm going to take the new valve and put it in. Make sure it seats in there well. You can see it sort of falls in place one way. And we'll tighten this up. Alright, so before I tighten up that Allen key, I'm going to go ahead and turn the water back on, and let's make sure that we have a good seal and everything is working as it should be. Hot water, cold water. Let's go ahead and turn the hot water off. And look at that, no dribble. So there you go, a simple, easy fix. Now, if you haven't seen the video on how to remove the hidden aerator from these faucets, I'm going to link that over here. Go ahead and go watch that. I'll see you over there. And as always, get out there and fix something. I'll see you on the next video.